State legislators will head back to Florida's Capitol May 23rd for a week-long session that's supposed to focus on the property insurance crisis damaging finances across our state. Whether other issues will be brought up, we do not know yet. I talked to Republican State Representative Toby Overdorf from District 83, covering parts of St. Lucie and Martin counties, on that topic and later on efforts to write a new chapter on clean water for the Treasure Coast and far beyond. First, to the insurance crisis.
Well, I'm not only hearing from constituents, but I'm also, frankly, I heard from my mom. My mom just had to do a whole new policy, and we were going through and looking at her particular insurance. And one of the issues that came up was that her roof is now 16 years old. And no roofer is out there that goes and builds a roof for 5 years or 10 years or for 15 years to hold. Most roofs have traditionally been about 20 years old. So one of the issues that I'm looking at here is that we can't have these policies that say, oh, well, because you have a 10-year roof, we're going to go ahead and drive your cost of insurance up. Now, I realize this is an incredibly complicated situation because we've had a lot of assignment of benefits, or AOB, that has happened where homeowners have received a letter saying you have a couple of cracked tiles. We're happy to put a new roof on your home and it won't cost you a thing. Well, that roof that normally costs maybe $20,000 or $25,000, when it's all said and done, between the roofer, the attorney fees, and the other things with the assignment of benefits, that roof is now anywhere from $90,000 to $120,000. That could have been 5 or 6 roofs, but instead it's just one. And that's one of those items that's really driving up the cost of insurance. I would hope that we would find some ways to deal with that during special session. I have to be honest with you, I think it's a very complicated issue that we won't necessarily be able to address fully during this time. And during last year's session, we did, in fact, attack assignment of benefits.
Which really leads to a lot of fraud, by the way, for those who are perhaps not familiar.
Yes, and so we did attack it this last time around. That fully hasn't taken effect yet. So we haven't seen those rates go down, but here's another area that we haven't really addressed as well, and that's the reinsurance. As you may or may not be aware, reinsurance is where we have another company that backs our insurance companies and provides the financing associated with that. There is not a single reinsurance company that's based in the United States anymore. All of our reinsurance is offshore. So we have to find some new ways to bring that back to the United States and therefore have these reinsurance companies based here within our state. We can also be looking at the adjusters. We can also be looking at additional ways that we can make our homes stronger and make sure that they are within the Miami-Dade Code. And frankly, though, I think a lot of what we have to be looking at is insurance fraud and the costs associated with delegating insurance to make sure that we bring those overall costs down. I realize that we've had a lot of insurance companies go out of business recently, and a lot of that has to do with, even though we didn't have a major storm this last year, we still doled out over $1 billion from our insurance companies. I mean, these are real numbers. This is a real problem. I hope that we're able to address some of these items during special session. I am sure that there is going to be some type of things that we're going to be voting on pretty quickly because we only have 4 or 5 days to deal with this. But that being said, I know that they're hard at work at it now.
Let's switch gears just for a moment. This is the time of year when typically people begin to cringe on the Treasure Coast along the St. Lucie River, the estuary, the lagoon, with the algal blooms that have so bedeviled the Treasure Coast for the last many years. I'm hearing some cautious optimism I haven't heard in a long time. We have the C-44 reservoir that came online to help abate the algae blooms, clean water before it reaches that area. A lot of other projects. It's been a legislative effort. It's been an activism effort, very much, dare I say it, bipartisan effort. Your hat when you're not legislating, environmental consultant by training. Talk about where we are and how optimistic you are that we'll avoid some of the problems of the past and that we're moving in a new direction.
Well, first of all, thank you for acknowledging that. And I would certainly say 100% this has been a bipartisan effort. And all that, I worked very closely with a gentleman named Matt Wilhite down in Palm Beach County, have worked with other folks throughout Palm Beach County, Martin, St. Lucie, and obviously surrounding the state. It has been led by the efforts of our governor, and he has taken a huge stance in saying that we have to have environmental sustainability to have a great state. That being said, the legislature has really stepped up. In years past, we were told that we had to have a 50-50 partnership with the feds in order for things to actually get done. However, the state has jumped ahead, and currently we're about $4.2 billion ahead of our federal partners in the monies that we've allocated for various projects. Over the past 4 years, we have completed over 16 separate projects that were all part of SERP. This year alone,
Comprehensive Everglades project, the comprehensive.
And SERP is a Central Everglades Restoration Project. We have had multiple projects that have actually finished as a part of that. Just locally here, we're looking at, obviously, as you mentioned earlier, C-44, but the EAA reservoir is well under construction. As you may not know about some other projects that are up here, whether it be the Calkins Water Farm, whether it be Old Tamiami Trail, is a huge issue that was down in Miami area. We were never able to really get water going south before. Now we can. With Old Tamiami being taken up, there is literally miles open now where we can have water flow. The new Tamiami Trail is raised, water goes under it, and now we can actually have water flow going south, which of course has been the goal and the cry for many people here locally.
Fundamentally, bottom line at Forest, you've ticked off a number of key policy issues. You talked about the bipartisanship as we head to rainy season, as people kind of get into that crouch that we typically have the last decade. Fundamentally, do you expect cleaner water projects that are taking us in a different place than we've ever been, and that this is something that's sustainable and that will only grow?
Well, I am certainly cautiously optimistic about this year. Obviously, we're starting off in a great position with the lake currently at its current elevation. We are looking obviously at a drought, unfortunately, for many of our agricultural friends and for those out there that have to continue to irrigate. But that being said, it has created a lot of storage. Additionally, we've created a lot of storage associated with all these projects that we now have out there. So yes, I am cautiously optimistic about this year. I am fully optimistic, however, about the future, about the items that we're going to be bringing forward. There are more and more projects. I mean, this year alone, we've had 9 separate projects that have broken ground and are on their way. And these are all projects that have been planned for years, but were never actually really been going until now. I'm so proud to be a part of the group that's bringing these forward and seeing a real change within our region.
We've done a lot of work on environment. We'll continue to make that a big part of our focus. By the way, everybody can put up these beautiful backdrops. I should say Representative Overdorf was at work in his Treasure Coast district when he spoke with us. We'll talk environment another time more extensively, but the property insurance crisis, the special session, criticism that Republicans should have done this in the regular session, but be that as it may, you covered Tallahassee for a long time. What substantively might get done? And you've been banging the drum on this long before many, Brian.
Yeah, this is negligence on behalf of the leadership in Tallahassee, from the governor to the legislative leadership. When you consider it wasn't that long ago when Mexico Beach was flattened. I had been there just a few weeks before that happened, and now, of just a few days before the June 1st start of the hurricane season, now they want to look at hurricane insurance. It's been negligence for the last 5 years. They've
known about a number of the problems, fraud and the like. Fraud's a huge issue, as it is so often we seem to find in Florida. What, covering the sausage making in Tallahassee, as you did for many, many, many years, what effectively do you think can get done in a brief period of time? Any relief for people sitting at home? Do you expect we'll see the ball move forward with real relief for people?
No, I think the relief will be for the insurance industry. The insurance industry legitimately complains about all the fraudulent roof repairs and that kind of thing, and other issues that they've had to confront, and that's their excuse for raising prices. Reinsurance is a huge problem. I think the only direction they're going to be able to take in such a short period of time is to try to bolster up the insurance companies. I don't think it's going to result in any kind of immediate relief for the people who are being insured. It's going to continue to cost a fortune. And let's not forget, it's very hard to put on a new roof because there's a lot of new construction going on in Florida. There's a shortage of supplies.
Good luck getting a roof if they demand you have one.
So your insurance company tells you have to have one?
Yeah, good luck. Gloomy forecast, but you're not the only one who's offered it about both the response by lawmakers to date and where we're headed. We're going to have to see how it plays out. We will be back with more from Brian in just a moment.